I did not think this was gonna come in the mail already. But I have the brand new iPhone 13 mini, and let's unbox it. So I am coming off of the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and you know, I decided that I wanted to go smaller. I don't really use my phone a ton. This only has 64 gigs, and it absolutely drives me crazy that it runs out of data so quickly, or storage. So I decided to get, this is a 256 gig iPhone 13 mini, and I just wanted something smaller, so let's unbox this thing and see what it's all about. And right off the gate, I can tell you that it's got a new security feature for you guys. It's gonna be a lot harder to fraud this phone or make a fake iPhone with this new security feature that used to go over top. But this new one here, it's underneath the cover, so it's gonna be a lot more difficult for people to make a fraud. Let's unbox it. We'll first tear that off. Oh, satisfying. Open that up. I really can't wait to see this thing. Oh, wow. I got the black one, but it's got like this blue sheen to it, almost. Look at how beautiful this phone looks. Oh my goodness. So let's take it out of here. Oh, so nice, way smaller. Gosh, it reminds me of the old original iPhone, like way back in the day. It's just, you could just feel when you pick this phone up, oh my God, it's so small. When you pick this phone up, guys, you can actually feel the quality of it. Like, it's just got the nice steel or aluminum edging. And so that's really, really nice. Look at those cameras. Beautiful job. This is the best looking color, I think, because it's not really black. It's got like a blue tint to it almost. And man, it's really, really nice looking. So, oh yeah, oh my God, really nice. So it comes with your basic stuff. It does not come with a charging block. So, you know, whatever. It doesn't come with even headphones anymore. So you're gonna have to accessorize it. It does come with a charging cable. And then in here we just have, I'm not really sure. Oh, that's the for my SIM. So I'll have to put my SIM chip in there from T-Mobile. Got a nice little Apple sticker. They all come with that. So that is all that's in the box. So one thing I'm recommend you guys get is the Anker power block. This thing is really nice. It's a 20-watt power block designed for the iPhone 13 and a lightning cable. So it'll charge this phone from like 20% to 90% in like less than 20 minutes. It's really, really nice. It charges this phone super quick, and it's really good. So I'm gonna get this thing activated, and we're gonna check out the camera on it, and then we'll also play around with the DJI OM5 that I have now. That should really go well with this phone. I'm super excited to have this thing now. It's really nice. I don't have a case or anything for it, but man, this thing is gorgeous looking. It's really nice. All right, guys, so I have my iPhone all activated. I absolutely love the way this feels. It's so small. It's like, look at how tiny. Look at how tiny this thing is. Oh, I love it. And so right now I'm in the camera mode because that's what we all care about, right? As a YouTuber creator, it's the camera, or you know, that's really what my main interest is. Again, you always have to worry about your fingers hitting the camera. These ones are diagonally placed, but you know, you always seem to want to touch that, so the camera's probably gonna get a little smudgy. But right out of the gate, it asks you to use like what camera mode you're gonna want to use. So there's a standard. All right, so I'm in the cinematic view right now. It says, add beautiful shadow, depth, field of colors, focus, transition to your videos automatically. Your video depth information is stored, allows you to change later the depth in the field of effect. So basically, in the editing software of the phone, you could change like the lens, like what the lens is doing. That's insane. So, all right, we're in cinematic view. Continue. And it does cinematic in selfie mode too. Okay, so right now I'm using the cinematic view, and man, that is really impressive. The lighting's a bit off because of my lighting, but I have the lighting set for the actual camera. But look at how everything's blurry in the background. Now if I want to go to the guitar, boom, and I'm blurry. Back to me. Oh my God, that is so cool. That is so freaking cool. Look at, I mean, wow. Let's go this way and look at the studio. So all the cameras and stuff in the background are blurred out. If I want to show the camera, DJI, now I'm blurred out. Back to me. That's awesome. That is awesome. I love it. So that's the cinematic view. First impressions, oh man, I love it, guys. This is so cool. Let's go with cinematic. Now we have this way. So camera, everything's blurry, camera. It's a little hazy around the DJI. See how it's a little bit hazy? So that's a little goofy looking, but I don't know if the average person's gonna pick up on that, but it still looks so cool. It just looks awesome until you get really close on it. Oh, that looks so awesome, guys. Back and forth. That's so sick. Oh, really cool. I love this phone. Absolutely love this phone. And I bet you it's gonna work really good in the DJI. So right now I have my iPhone13 and I'm gonna run the DJI app and we'll see how it follows me around. Hooked up to the iPhone 13 and I have it on follow mode, so it'll follow me around, and I still have to do the video for this gimbal, but that should be out tomorrow. And I actually did most of that video with my iPhone 11, but I didn't know this was in the mailbox, so we might just redo that video with the 13 because that was the original plan. But right now, it's following me around just fine. Pretty cool. Love it. Great tool to have, guys. If you're a vlogger, this is the tool right here. This is really all you need. You know, you just have the 6-axis gimbal, an iPhone 13, and you can literally make movies. You can literally make cinematic movies with this setup right here. I mean, that's amazing. It's amazing the tools that we're given now to create and make cool things. And I understand, like, a lot of people, oh, the tech, the cameras, all these things, it's all making it so much easier and anybody can do it now. Well, all that means is we're just gonna advance. We're just gonna advance our creative minds, and we're gonna just do way cooler shit, way better shots, cooler podcasts where like cameras are zooming in to your face. Like, that's my podcast is gonna be like a floating camera. So man, the camera just follows you around. If you want to go to the bathroom, just go to the bathroom. I want to come back. It's awesome. I love it. That looks so good. You can't even tell, it's just like a phone camera. Like, nobody's gonna think that this is a phone camera. So sick. Storm. Oh, she looks awesome. Here's regular video if you guys are interested in that. Hi, bud. Do a little stretch. You can see very good cameras. Here's the wide. Oh, that looks awesome. Hey, birdie. I know. Just want to see kind of what I look like out here with the cinematic on the selfie mode. It still looks so good. Like, everything's so blurry. It's awesome. Come here. Let's see what me and Storm look like. Come here, bud. Look at it, picks her up if I want her. Picks her, then me. Her. Come here, look.
Her? Me? Her? Me? Oh, it's so cool. This is awesome. I love it.
So I'll finish off this video with the iPhone 13, and honestly, if you just want to do podcasts and videos like this looks so clean. It actually looks way better than my pancake lens, which is actually supposed to do what this video is doing here. And it even follows my face, so I won't jump out of focus, even no matter where I go. Background is nice and blurry. Oh, so nice. That is so nice. I love it. This is a great tool to have if you just want to create videos, you're doing little reviews, podcast, whatever you're doing. iPhone 13 and a 6-axis gimbal, because I can just pick the gimbal up, walk around the house, and it'll follow me around, and I can bump and run into things, and I can be running, and you know, the 6-axis gimbal will make it look like a nice, clean, stable video. So, man, this is a great feature that they added. I love the cinematic mode. Looks good. So that's all I got for you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you plan on getting a new iPhone 13, if you want to get the Pro Max, the Mini. I like the Mini. I think it's really good just to have this small phone instead of like having this ginormous thing up to your face. Really looking forward to experiencing a little bit of a learning curve. I think with the texting, it's a little small. Not really too worried about it. And if I want to watch movies and stuff, I don't generally watch movies and stuff at home on my phone. So I have a giant 70-inch TV for that. So yeah, that's what I got for you guys. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I love you all. Peace.